I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas appetizer. I am going to make a cranberry chutney to spread with cream cheese over crostini. It can be served warm or cool. The flavor, the color, and because the easy way to make it makes this a great appetizer for Christmas. To make the chutney, I'm gonna add 2 cups of cranberries, fresh cranberries, 1 red bell pepper. I already cut it in little pieces and I took the seeds off too. 2 jalapeños, no seeds, cut in small pieces. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Chop it up. A quarter cup of orange juice. A half cup of mint, no steams, only the leaves. I chop it a little bit. Half cup of basil, also no steams, and I chopped a little bit. 2 green onions. Then a quarter cup of corn syrup. In a small pot, the other chutney. On high, we're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. This is between savory and sweet over the cream cheese and the crostini. It's just delicious. Delicious. Okay, it dried up the liquid already. Turn it off and it's done. I have a French baguette. We're gonna cut this diagonal. Thing like that. Spray some olive oil and bake it until toast. This is 1 cream cheese. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 15 seconds and it's gonna be really soft and ready to spread. Delicious. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss any of the new videos.